So tire rotation is when they take tires from one part of the vehicle, move them to another part, and vice versa. They don't remove the tires from the wheels, they take the wheel and tire off completely, move it to a new position, and replace those wheels with the other wheels. The reason you do this is because each wheel sits at a different angle, and after about 3,000 to 6,000 miles, your tire can start wearing at that angle. For example, your front tire is going to sit like this a little bit, so when you go around the corner, they come in and you get full traction. So they sit like this while you're going straight down the road. If you imagine the inside of your tire is supporting the majority of the weight of the vehicle, which is going to cause that point to wear a little bit quicker. So what you want to do is rotate the tire, get those front ones to the back where they're going to sit more flat, and that flattens out that tire, puts the back one on the front where it can take a little bit more of that inside wear, and you just do that every 6,000 miles or so, and it keeps those tires wearing nice and even. There are also different types of tire rotations. So you have your standard, which is front to back, back to front. Most cars, 75 to 80% of cars, are going to do that process. Fronts go to the back, backs go to the front. But there are some vehicles you have to do what's called a cross rotation, where the back tires crisscross as they go to the front, and the front tires come straight back. That's for different kind of performance tires. And also you have some performance cars that have staggered wheel sizes. So your front wheels may be smaller than your back wheels for extra traction when you're accelerating, and you cannot move those front to back. Those you do what's called a cross rotation, left to right, right to left. So the front and back stay the same, but they switch sides. As for cost for your standard tire rotation, it really varies. So if you're getting an oil change, for example, at a repair shop, and they already have the vehicle in the air, a lot of times they'll just rotate your tires for free. The reason they do this is because they want to get the wheels off the tires and inspect your brakes to see if you need brakes and try to upsell you more service. But now if you're doing it in a quick lube place where they don't do brakes, they may charge you about $25 to $40 to do all four wheels.